Ooh, welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm in the used car department. Hey, whoa. Wait a minute. What kind of vehicle is this? This look like a Pacifica. This look like our product. Oh, yes. Somebody traded in a Chrysler Pacifica. Why on earth would you do that? Did they trade it in because, as it appears, the radiator went out? And they didn't want to pay to get it fixed? I'm assuming it's out of warranty, guys. Remember, this vehicle came out in 2017. So it's some out there with way well past 100,000 miles. And I'm not sure radiator's powertrain warranty anyway. But a radiator can go at any given time, guys. I wouldn't judge a car maker's ability to make cars just because a part such as a radiator failed prematurely or failed early. But look at everything they have to transpire in order to gain access to the radiator. And I'm saying radiator because I see a new radiator right there. But look at this, guys. What first must come off is, yes, you guessed it, the complete bumper assembly. And that's an easy task. I've taken off many bumpers to gain access to condensers and things like that. But look where they hide in the radiators nowadays. Yeah, you got the headlight off. Naturally, it's going to be in front of the condenser. Y'all know the fan is likely going to be in front of the radiator. The fan's job is to pull air through the condenser and the radiator. Yes. Wonder how much more. Wow, look at this, guys. Where on earth could this radiator be leaking it? Or was it induced, guys? Remember, guys, I always told y'all, try not to judge repairs off parts just simply failing. Sometimes problems are induced. What I mean by that is something, a rock could have came through the grill, and but if that happened, you would think the condenser would go first. It all depends. I'm just speculating. I don't know why, or I don't even know where it's leaking, but I want to wait till he come back and let this thing down so I can get a closer look on top as far as what I may be up against when I get ready to do one. Now, likely, like this right here will come off. So it looks like, it appears that if you remove this, bzz, 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 get that out your way, straight shot to the radiator, right? Especially if you got the bumper off already. But I don't know. And I don't know if someone traded in because they got an estimate on the radiator. You imagine what this estimate would be if it was, if you had to pay for it? Maybe 4 hours labor. I don't know. The average shop $200 an hour. 2 times 4, $800 labor. The radiator probably $300. You're looking at close to $1,200. And they're gonna try to hit you for coolant flush and things like that. This likely could have easily been a $1,500 job. So is that really worth trading your vehicle in? Gosh, these cars are not made of anything. That bumper is basically plastic, so all the impact, a front collision, this aluminum brace are supposed to absorb the impact. Wow. No wonder the airbags are so crucial nowadays. Where's the airbag sensor? I bet they bolted to this brace. Front end collision gonna, of course, you smashing through that. You going straight through that bumper, right? And you're gonna hit this. This is not gonna stop anything. It might be designed to bend in and try to save other things, try to save your life. The goal behind impact tests or crash tests is to find out what could save the human being's life. I'm almost certain those airbag sensors are somewhere. They have to be in the front somewhere, and they work off milliseconds. So before that collision is barely initiated, those airbags are off and running. I want him to let this down, guys. I want to see. Yeah, naturally got the battery off. You can see. What's this car in a wreck? I don't know. I won't speculate. I gotta wait till he let it down. So we'll do it like that. What I need y'all to do is stay tuned. What kind of brace is that? I recognize the headlight. A mess. This is a mess over here. I don't know. Anybody out there done one? This van is still fairly new, so this is Gen 3. I don't know. All Pacifica models are equipped with the Gen 3. I have yet, still, here it is. We working on 3-4 years now. The van came out in 2017. I have yet to go inside of a Gen 3 Pentastar engine, guys. Can you say maybe there's a chance they got it right, or after years of investigating the ticking issue I'm talking about? But I want to assume they redesigned I know they redesigned the valve train, but did they get it right? Some people will argue no, because they still have the problem on their Gen 3. I can only speak for myself. I have yet to work on one. All right, I'm going to just stay tuned, guys. When you get back and let this down, we'll get a better, closer look on the top end. All right, stay tuned. What the hell's going on over here?
Some people work for a living.
A lot of people work for a living.
Not take videos.
Yeah, man. Just in case I have one to do, I need to know.
What? Oh, you got one of these to do?
Not on the Pacifica.
Oh.
So that matters. It's just a regular minivan. That's pretty easy.
Are they?
Yeah, what was wrong with it? Where's the old one? Why you replaced?
Look at that one. Look at that thing. Am I sitting right there?
Come on, man. I don't see no leaks.
Look at the top right. Or top left, sorry. On the front. See how it's orange? So the pressure I can sure it's all
Orange mean bad.
orange is the color of the coolant coming out.
Yeah. Somebody traded that in. What'd they get? Stop, man. We have a vested interest. Oh, this one got the little center seat in there. I see that. Some of them got the center, and some of them don't. And it's got the overhead DVD player, so that should make it sell really quickly, guys. But no big deal. It's just typical Pacifica, but radiator was leaking, so since I promised y'all I would come back and finish up, that's exactly what I did. Now let's see. Y'all know some of these, you don't get a spare tire, but you can, however, order one. Not order one, but see if it was one, it would be hidden in this compartment. Some of the fancy model got a compartment right. What is this? Yeah. Look, go figure, guys. You don't get a spare tire, but you get a pump. Now, what if you have a blowout? What good is that pump, right? I'm no big fan of riding around without a spare tire. I'm sorry, I'm old school, and I just this is my van. A spare tire would just be laying right here. It don't even have to be a full tire. Like, I don't get it, man. And they give you a 1-800 number to call just in case you have a flat. Now, notice that entertainment system or the DVD system is standalone now, so you stick your DVD player in it directly, right? As opposed to going up front to the entertainment system or radio. I guess they don't take it like that anymore. Those are merely going away, guys. If you got them nowadays, they put them in the seats. So it's all different ways that car makers are doing it now. Cigarette lighter, 12-volt source back here, but this that just turned me off right there. As far as y'all remember the car that I rented that time? Watch this video right here. Rented a Pacifica. I looked tooth and nail, and I was pissed off because there wasn't no spare tire. And yeah, man, I got to have a spare tire, guys. I'm a mechanic, and I know the fear in something. What if you on the highway at 3 o'clock in the morning, you have a flat? Call this 1-800 number. You gonna keep riding on that rim till you get out of harm's way, right? Yeah, so I don't know. Maybe it's just me, but that's all I have, guys. Let me go back to the other side. This shouldn't be on a lot long. Should sell fairly quickly. That's all I have. Thanks for watching.